So hey everybody, we're at the drone lake today. We have a really nice lake about 40 miles from our place. Cypress Hills Interprovincial Park. So this side is the Alberta side. We don't go to the Saskatchewan side because Prairie boys there. Anyway, so I thought I'd bring the drone and give you an aerial shot of the beachfront anyway, and where the boats park and the lake. You can only really see half of it even with the drone. The other part goes up and around the corner, so let's take a flight, show you some stuff. Just up around the corner, there's the ski lodge, and it's Hidden Valley. Perfect shady place to park. So that's a quick peek at the ski hill. Hidden Valley's pretty decent. They've upgraded it a lot. When I was younger, it was just a T-bar, and now they've got a little string tow, they call it, for the kids on the bunny run, and then they've got the big chair that we showed with the drone, and then actually over there a little ways, I didn't go over there, I ran out of batteries, is the T-bar. So 2 big lifts and 1 small lift for kids. And then there was a little pond over that you could see, and that's where they make snow. They got snow making equipment here too, so that if we have a bit of a mild winter or we're not getting enough snow, they can actually make snow here. And if you're a skier, I grew up a skier, you know that gets icy. That's not the best stuff, but it's better than not skiing, so it does help build a decent base. But anyways, that's the ski hill that's also here at the same lake, 40 miles from my house, so lots of cool stuff to do here. We're gonna head home because we got a bunch of chicken wings ready to go, and I've got a Traeger smoker just aching to get those ready for supper. So anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video. It wasn't a bike vlog, but it was a place we do ride, and an awesome place that we have really close to home. So have a great day, everybody. Stay safe.